much any direct-to-consumer platform can handle your players' payment transactions. But it takes a special kind of partner to build a premium D2C channel for you that gives players a better experience than any of the major platforms, whether it's Apple, Google, or even Steam. And that's what Stash's product philosophy is built on. Here are 4 key parts of our product strategy that set Stash apart from all other D2C partners. First, we believe in encouraging users to opt into your D2C channel instead of feeling forced. That's because your first-party D2C channel will always feel less convenient than using familiar platforms like Apple and Google. For users to start using a D2C channel and continue returning, they need a better experience. They need to get something out of these D2C channels that they can't get from the platforms. There's a bunch of ways that Stash does this, and it all comes down to adding value for gamers. That could include social discovery systems that help players make new friends, fresh content like strategy guides or lore, or community and competitive features like ranked matchmaking. Doing this gets users to opt into your channel rather than forcing them to do it, which is a better way for long-term growth because it harnesses positive reinforcement. The second principle of our product strategy: make the most out of the web and desktop mediums. These mediums work a lot differently than the mediums you're used to as a game developer, and using them lets you unlock new, more flexible ways for you to interact with your players and community. Think loyalty programs, social discovery, grassroots esports, and new forms of content like videos or game guides. Not to mention, e-commerce works totally differently on the web than in-game purchases. Trying to sell something in the middle of gameplay is different than trying to convert a user who is browsing on a website, and you have different tools you can and can't use on each platform. For example, when a player runs out of lives in-game, you can show them a great bundle that includes extra lives. When a player is visiting a web store to browse offers, however, you have to use different tools, like a volume-based discount where players spend $100 and get 20% off. These are only possible when a store has a cart, which games don't normally have. Third, we approach every D2C experience as a custom project we build from the ground up. Your game has tons of unique features, from its mechanics, lore, and UI to your audience and community. And your D2C channel should be built around exactly what makes your game special to its players. Cookie-cutter templates won't cut it when you're trying to tap into the motivations of your highest spenders and give them reasons to keep returning to your D2C channel. If your game is PvP, for example, players are motivated by a competitive drive. A premium D2C experience should speak to this with features like ranked team matchmaking and team finding. Meanwhile, if you're a social casino game, players are motivated to make progress and achieve VIP status. These are great fits for VIP customer service, exclusive content, and a custom-designed loyalty program that's built around your game's aesthetic and style. There's also the case of customizing your D2C channel to your game's branding, IP, and universe, which impacts how you display your offers. For one of our partners, they had very strict IP guidelines. Every detail on their web shop needed to appear exactly as it was in the game. With a fully custom approach, we were able to stay true to their IP and gave players an experience on the web that was identical to in-game. The fourth tenet of Stash's product philosophy is about fitting into your existing systems. Developers build a lot of proprietary tech, analytics, and gameplay systems. Giving your players a premium D2C experience shouldn't mean switching up all your workflows or adding more work to any part of your operation. Our product team makes sure you get all the benefits of going D2C with zero disruption to your existing processes or tech stack. In fact, we think developers should take advantage of everything they've built for their game and use that in their D2C channels. That's why we built a unified catalog feature that integrates directly with your existing backend. So the moment you change an offer in-game from your backend, it automatically updates on the web in real time, and you don't need to head to another dashboard or create a separate catalog or segmentation to do it. Even better, you maintain complete control over everything shown on the web shop, and you also avoid doing double the work because you don't need to manually update anything. Your in-game and web shop catalogs are automatically synced from the same place. If this approach to building D2C experiences sounds aligned with your vision, we'd love to chat. Talk to us at Stash today.